Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and I'm stopping by with tag number 9 for day 9 of my Tag a Day series in November. For today's tag, I used this Sunshine and Rainbows 6x6 paper pad from Stamping Up. It was a celebration item. I just love it. I have been hoarding it, but I'm trying to use it. And then I used this adorable stamp set from My Favorite Things called We're the Picture of Best Friends. I will link it below. I picked it up for $3. It was on their retirement sale. It's just so cute. The only thing that I'm like questioning is I'm very aware that like, these are dogs. Well, they say, or those are bears. They say that that's a dog. To me, it looks like a cat and a bunny. But I was like, what is this? But they just call it an artist. I kind of think it looks like a dog. My daughter said a rabbit. I don't know. It's still cute. And then I did use the Sunny Studio Build-A-Tag number 1 die. And let me see. I buried my tag. There it is. And there is my super cute tag. How precious. I like that. Not your typical rainbow. It's those blues and greens and yellows. So that's kind of what I colored it with. I found this ribbon and it's got a little bit of a sparkle to it. And it's longer today. I didn't cut it and cut it and cut it. There's the back just with some blue cardstock. And so there's my cute, cute little tag for today. I hope you like it. And again, everything will be linked in the description box below. And until my next video, have an amazing day. See you soon.